Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will be showing you how you can make comfortable daily income trading crypto arbitrage on the various dexes that have different crypto price variances. Yes, now you might ask, what is arbitrage trading? Arbitrage trading is a system of trading where you buy a particular crypto asset, a particular crypto token from an exchange A at a cheaper rate, and you sell that same token on exchange B at a more higher rate. So the buying and the selling, the difference from these transactions is what you make your money on or from. Good. Now I will be showing you how you can make comfortable daily income doing this every day on this decentralized exchange called ArbDex. Good. Follow me step by step as I will show you how this is done. Now, this is a guaranteed way of making money. Yes, that is why you don't need to rush this section. Take your time, take your pen if you have to, note down everything I am going to say the way I say them, and follow it exactly the way I do it. You will be able to have a guaranteed source of income in this Web3 era that we are in, trading on crypto arbitrage every day and making yourself good money that you can make a livelihood out of. Thank you. Now, before we proceed, I'll say, if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, kindly hit the subscription button to stay subscribed, and also turn on the notification bell so you will be notified anytime I post good videos as this, as I will keep bringing good videos that will keep enriching you as an investor or someone who is interested in crypto trading. And my videos will be a good guide to keep you safe and also keep you profitable in doing this trading business via the available crypto trading platforms and forms that we have now. But for this video, I am focusing on the arbitrage trade approach, where you buy a crypto token cheaper from exchange A and sell that same crypto token more expensive on exchange B, and then you take home the difference, the little money you make. Let's say you buy a token $10,000 from exchange A and you sell that same amount of token for $12,000 from exchange B. When you succeed in doing this, you've made yourself a cool $2,000 from this trade. This is for example purposes. Good, because you bought at 10,000 and you sold at 12,000. That is what is called arbitrage. Plenty crypto platforms out there, or crypto exchanges out there, they have different prices at which they sell or buy these crypto tokens on their platform, and it is that change, the difference in prices, that is what you are capitalizing on to take profit from while trading crypto arbitrage. Now, this is safe and guaranteed because you are sure that when I take this trade, I am going to see this amount of money come out from it, because you would have seen it from the board or from the screener that is serving you this arbitrage trade opportunities. Now, for the platform we are going to use, the platform is called ArbDex, as in it's arbitrage decentralized exchange, so they go by the name ArbDex. Good. You will see the URL is displayed on the screen here, and also when I be tapping it in, you have to also, I will still display it again so that you don't make mistakes when you want to access the website for this arbitrage trading I'll be showing you now, called the ArbDex. On their platform is where we'll be taking good and sure secured arbitrage trades that we are guaranteed and sure of making profit from every day, that will assure us a steady flow of income. Good. Now, without wasting much of our time, let me go straight to how this is done. I will show you straight away. Now, you can do this from your MetaMask wallet or from your Trust wallet or whichever wallet provider you use. But for this video, I'll be using my browser. Yes, you can do it also with your browser, Firefox or Chrome, any good trusted browsers. I prefer either Firefox or you use Chrome. For me, I'll be using Chrome because of its security and all. Good. So all I need to do is I will launch my Google browser. Good. And here I will now put in this exchange platform URL, the ARBDex. I'll put their URL here. It is arbdex.io. Good. The URL is arbdex.io. It will also be on the description of this video. So when you want to try out this I'm about to show you, you want to do yours, you go to the description of this video, you will see this URL there, copy it and paste inside your browser or inside your MetaMask wallet dApp section, the discover part, or whichever platform you want to use, just paste it there and navigate to that site. Good. Once you've entered the URL, you now proceed to ARBDex. Let's go see how this is done. Beautiful. This is a typical ARBDex homepage. Now it's arbitrage, you can see it's an arbitrage scanner. Good. And here, once you're here, you'll see there are so many trade opportunities that are going on here. You can see opportunities being flashed here. You see this is plus 0.24%. Sometimes it goes as high as 5% and thereabout, and 3%, 2%, and all the rest. But like you see, this 5%, 4%, they've popped up now. Good. How I trade this, for me, I focus on 5% because I like to make at least 5% from every trade I take. You get it? And when you watch this, you will see the opportunities keep flashing and flashing and flashing. Now, what I will do is I sit down and watch all this trade. Now, let me show you the arbitrage opportunities that it has listed. Good. You can see we have by USDT here, which is currently at plus, or it has changed. Notice things, their live prices changing over time as the markets change, so they keep changing. Now, let me tell a little about what this ARBDex does and how they do this thing. Now, this is a decentralized arbitrage platform. What it does is it scans through these many exchanges that will have offering trades and sales on all these cryptocurrencies. Then it picks out the ones that have arbitrage opportunities on them, because it compares all prices against all token pairs. Now, when it finds any exchange that it can buy lower and sees another one it can sell higher, it pulls the both exchanges and brings them here to you. That is what is being displayed on all these cards. You can see either USDT, .USDT. It pulls the both exchange down here now. What it does is, as it pulls them here, all you need to do is you look at them and compare and see if you want to take the trade. Like for now, this okay, let's say it's, forget about what the price is changing. Let me just use this card and show you something. Now, if you see buy on, it is now curve. You see sell on. So these are the two exchanges been able to pull. The ones where it to buy on, it will list them here. The one it to be selling on, it will list them here. So you look at it now, you know, okay, this thing is buying from this exchange and is selling on this one to make me this profit. Good. That's what it does. It pulls these two exchanges, bring them together under this platform, so you don't really have to go through the stress of manually searching these things yourself, because this thing has brought it close to you. Good. Now all you need to do is just watch them, watch the rate you want to take, and then enter in it and take the trade. Good. Now you can see there are so many of them. So many, just keep scrolling. This is a mobile view. I believe on a desktop it will have a different view, but this is what you also, something like this you still also see there. So but this is a mobile view. Yes, so you can see these are plenty of opportunities, plenty cards it keeps bringing. Now, you as a trader that wants to trade on this platform, someone like me, the way I make my money, I make my profits, I make my daily living, which I'm about to show you now because it's trusted and guaranteed and sure to deliver, is when I come here, I study all these price exchanges, price differences rather. I watch them and I check, okay, my wallet, which tokens do I have there? Okay, I always make sure I have BNB, I have Ethereum, and I have USDT. I must always have these three. BTC most times, yes, I make sure I have them. So I always like taking trades within EVM, that is EVM wallets, because of the low gas fee like BNB, Ethereum, and all the rest. I like taking trades there, so I focus mainly on BNB or Ethereum pairs. Good. So I'll come here, I'll look at the one I want, and I remember I say I take 5%. It must be up to 5%. So the work now is you come here, you check and wait for it to get to 5%, or the percentage you like this BM. Let me click on it. Good, I got that one. So let's use this as an start example. Now all I need to do when you select that trade like that, to remember I clicked on execute to enter here, because I did it quickly because I wanted to pick that particular trade because it came out at a rate I like. Or let me go back and do it again so you understand how I did it. I'll watch it again. I just watched. Remember, anything BNB Ethereum, I have it, I can pick, and it has to be up to 5%. So you take your time and watch and watch and watch. You can scroll through to see wherever it will appear on. Okay, good, I got that. Good, that was at 5%. I picked it. Now all I need to do is what I did. Remember, I clicked on execute on the button, execute on that token pair once. I clicked on it to get here. So voila, you on this page. This is Ethereum BTC pair. So you will be buying BTC with Ethereum, and it's going to be buying from Uniswap V3. You can see it here, Ethereum BTC Uniswap V3, and it's going to be selling it on Curve. Good. So now all you need to do here is impute the amount of Ethereum you want to use to do this trade. How amount of Ethereum? I think I have some good amount of Ethereum. I have not connected. Yes. Okay. Let me show you how this thing works. Then I can connect and then take a real trade for you to see. Good. So once you're here, you put the amount of Ethereum you want to use for the trade. Okay. Let me say I take 5 Ethereum. Good. If I use 5 Ethereum, this 5 Ethereum is worth 10,750 USDT, US dollars, USD. Yes, that's what 5 Ethereum is worth. Good. Now, if I use this 5 Ethereum worth 10,750 US dollars to take this trade, I will be making a profit of guaranteed plus or minus, not plus or minus, 537.50 US dollars. That's 537 US dollars, 0.50, that's a cent. I am going to make by taking just this one trade. You understand? Good. It will buy it from Uniswap at the price. The price here at 2,151 point some fraction US dollars. Then it will sell it on Curve at 2,188 point Curve. Yeah, on Curve. That's how this transaction is going to be. Now it will do all these things and pour you out the profit you'll be making. This 507, it will now, this is the profit you're making, to just pour it out to you, and then this money will be credited into your USDT balance. You see it reflect there. That's how that thing works. So once you put it like that and you are able to see this calculation, you're okay with it, you just go ahead and say that, oh, I can't click on the execute because I'm not connected. And now it says connect wallet to execute trade. Okay, good. How to connect wallet? I will show you that now. So I will now go into my login with my passphrase and take this trade for you to see how it's done. So how to do this is you get your passphrase where your token assets are stored in, and you connect to this platform with the passphrase of your wallet, so that you link your wallet to this platform, so you can take these trades directly inside your wallet. Now remember, this is not a centralized exchange, it's a decentralized exchange. Nobody controls this. It's a free crypto pool. Nobody has anything to do here. You understand? No free holds. Good. And how to connect is you connect with your wallet, so you deal directly with your wallet, not the kind that centralized exchanges manipulate or the rest. No, this is decentralized. So it will be buying this whatever token trade you take, to buying it from the exchange here right inside your wallet, because it's your wallet that is connected, and will be selling it at the same time at the sell exchange right there inside your wallet. That is how it makes this move and profits from it, because it does this at that same rapid instance. It buys it here, sells it here, and credits you your wallet, because your wallet is connected here. You are inside the blockchain. Your wallet is locked inside the blockchain, so everything happens right there, and then all the crediting happens. Good. So now how to connect? You click on this button here, connect wallet, to connect your wallet to the platform. And here you select your wallet provider. For me, I use Trust Wallet. Yours might be MetaMask wallet. You can use any of the forms here to connect. And I'll click on, for mine is Trust Wallet. I click on Trust Wallet. And here I will impute the passphrase of my wallet. Let me go ahead. I have it copied on my clipboard already, so I'll just go ahead and click on here. I'll press here. I have it copied already on my clipboard, so I'll just long press here and click on paste to paste it in. Good. And once it has pasted in like this, the next thing I'm going to do, I'll click on this button that says connect wallet, and I'll wait for it. Beautiful. My wallet has connected. You can see now it is now my wallet address. Here, let me open my wallet to show you. Okay, yeah, this is my wallet balances. You can see I have BTC 0.4 BTC, I have 9 Ethereum, I have 27 BNB, I have Solana 15, ADA 100 and something thousand, and USDT 21,571. Now, pay close attention to this my USDT balance. Yes, because that is where all the profits I'll be making will be credited to. So yours too, once you connect yours, all the profit you'll be making will be credited into your USDT balance once the trade executes successfully. You understand? So take note. That's what I have in my wallet. So let me now go straight to how this trade is being done. Please follow me. Remember, don't rush this. So now wait for 5% on BNB or Ethereum, any of them. Anywhere I see it, I pick it up. So I'll keep scrolling. Okay, let me wait. I think it's going to come up here. I'm waiting for 5%. I don't want to do anything below 5. So if you're okay with all these ones, you can still go ahead and select all. For me, I like doing 5% for my trades. Oh, I saw it somewhere and it moved away. Okay, I'll still go back. Don't worry. This is just the work. You keep scrolling like everything is work here. You have to put in some sacrifice. So this is what you need to do till you select what you're okay with, and you proceed with it. I think it's going to come out anytime. Let me see. This market fluctuation is sometimes you go up, it's down, sometimes you come down, it's up. But if it's in the system, you see it will show fully. You can watch so many cards at the same time. Yes, but for me, I just want to get Ethereum or BTC. Sorry, Ethereum or BNB, anyone that offers me up to 5%. Yes, I've seen some good profits. 3 is good. 3 is good, but like I said, I like doing 5%, so I don't mind. This is what I do every day. I just sit down, relax, and good. I got it. You see, I got that Ethereum. You see, at 5.75%. You can see it there. Good. Now, how much am I going to use to do this? I would like to use the whole of my BNB. Yes, here this trade is BNB. Ethereum. So I'm buying Ethereum with BNB. So how many BNB do I want to use? I have 27. Let me use the whole 27 BNB. So that means if I succeed in taking this trade, I'll be making $808. And how much is 27 BNB? It's 16,164.9 USDT, US dollars. Okay, so if I take this trade now, this is how much I'm going to be making from taking this $16,164 worth of trade, which is 27 BNB in total. I'll be making this 808 from this single transaction. That is beautiful, and it's going to happen instant. Buy, sell, like, yes, I said it's going to buy from PancakeSwap, and it's going to set it on 1 inch. Good. You can see the prices here. This is the buy price, and this is also the sell price. So let's go ahead and execute this trade so you see it. So once you've put in the value, the amount you want to use and trade, you now click on execute arbitrage trade, and then watch it. Watch it. Trade failed. Oh, sorry, it has timed out. Yeah, it failed. Good. It said the trade execution has timed out. Please retry the transaction or select an alternative arbitrage pair for execution. To improve the likelihood of a successful trade, ensure that the transaction is executed promptly, as delays may result in another. That's by the way, the trade time, but I was taking my time to explain all these things so everybody can understand it. And this kind of things, you do it like fast immediately. You don't waste time, so it doesn't try time out. You are supposed to put all these things, put the click on execute, put the amount, and hit on execute trade before the trade times out. Because if it times out, you will still have to come back and go back again, either wait for that one or select another pair. So you have to be fast in doing this is so that you execute at the right time. But if it turns out on you, no problem. All what will happen is you have to go back and then you wait again and search for the desired one you like. That's just all what will happen, like it has happened to me now. So now what I need to do, I'll just close this thing and then go back and select again. I'll start afresh. So it doesn't stop. It's just that this particular one has timed out because of the time I took while explaining. That is all. So let's go back and try it again. And this time I'll try to be fast and execute it. I close it. So I still come back and I see 4.9. It's not up to 5. I remember I said I like 5. Any place I see 5% up to 5% at least. If any other value is okay for you, you can take it. Like I said. But I love to take 5. So I just take my time. I take my time. If it's 3 or 4 or 5 transactions I'm able to do in a day, that is very good. It's very good money for me, depending on the amount I use. So for me, I always use above $10,000, $20,000, $15,000 up, or above $10,000 for each trade I do. So when I get profit, at least I'm sure $500 thereabout per each trade that I execute successfully. Okay, let me go down a bit. Let's not be wasting time, and it might be on the down part. This is better done on the system, please, on a desktop view, so you can see and monitor plenty tabs at the same time. Good, I got this one. This is BNB USDT Go. So we are buying USDT with BNB. So let me be fast. I will just put in the whole what I have, 27, and I will get 808. The same profit here because it's 5%, and I'll just click on execute. Please, once you have put the figure, then I just click on execute trade and then wait for it. And I hope this doesn't time out. So okay, beautiful. You can see I have successfully made $808.25 USDT on this arbitrage opportunity that I just took now. Good. That is how this thing is done. Now, if I'm able to do this, like let's say 4 or 5 times in a day, you know how much that is. That's 808 multiplied by the number of times I'm able to do it. So this is sure money, depending on the capital you have. You understand? If you trade with $10,000 and above, you'll be making roughly good money. If you trade with 100,000, better for you. If you trade with any amount lesser, it depends on you. How much you're able to afford as the trading capital will determine the profit you will make. Like for me here, I used 27 BNB to do the transaction, and I made $808 on this particular trade. So that is how this is done. Now let me go back to this. I'll show you this money inside my wallet. Okay, I'll close this. Now let me go up to you can see this is my dashboard. Total profit. This trade I made now is 1 trade. I've made 808.25. Now this money has been added into my USDT wallet already. This money is inside my wallet because this is my wallet that's being displayed here. My wallet is connected here now. It's on the blockchain. This is the profit I've made so far from this platform, and this money has been dropped inside my wallet. Let me open it to show you too. Remember I told you to take note of that USDT price that time. Yes, you can see we now have 22,379 plus some fraction thousand US dollars USDT I have in my wallet. It's now 22,000 now. It was 21,000 before. If you remember the value, it was a now. This 808 has been added to it. Now that's what gave me. Now I have 22,379 USDT. Now I've made $800 from just taking that one trade I made. Now I'll now take my time, sit back and watch again and still monitor the thing and take another trade. That's what I keep doing till maybe the end of the day, or I'm tired and I want to do something else. At least I've made like 3, 4, sometimes 5, 6 trades in a day, and that's good money for me. And if you follow suit, you'll make the same money, and it will be there in your wallet, because it is your wallet directly communicating with the blockchains here, and not other thing. All thanks to ArbDex for this great platform they introduced and brought out, that brought all these arbitrage opportunities closer, so someone can easily take advantage of it without having to pass through the stress of searching them manually. So this is a platform that cuts that out. You can go ahead and share it to all your friends or your loved ones and teach them the same way you've learned. Let people come and also benefit like you're benefiting. This is money that is out there in the crypto world. You understand? You are not stealing anybody's money. You are not taking anybody's money. Rather, you are using your money and taking advantage of the price fluctuations in the market and making good money from it. It is a sustainable and reliable means of livelihood, and it's guaranteed because it's crypto arbitrage. If you trade with this ArbDex, you are 100% sure you are going to make this profits like I showed you now. And that brings us to the end of the video. Thank you very much for watching. If you find it interesting, please kindly hit the subscription button and also share this video to other crypto enthusiasts out there, people that are interested in making money from this Web3 era through crypto. Show them, teach them also, especially your friends and loved ones. Let them see it and come and benefit like you've benefited. And thank you for watching. Please don't forget, subscribe to my channel and like my video and also share it. And I'll see you on the next one. And till then, be good while I go back and start taking more trades. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.